how to solve the projections of solids using AutoCAD software. Once you go to AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Command is limits. So specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210, then zoom all. Then go to line, take the cursor to the lower left corner of the screen, click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse to certain distance and click on the first button of the mouse. Again you take the cursor to the top side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297. Select this vertical line and offset to the left side and you take the distance as 210. Select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom extents and zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet. Select between vertical line and the horizontal line. Select between this vertical line and this horizontal line. Select between this horizontal line and this vertical line. Then go to zoom window. Select this, take near to the screen and go to the text. Specify start point of text, select some point and take the height as 4 and rotation angle as 0. Type the problem number 173. Then go to a hexagonal prism of 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length. Press on HP on one of its corners of the base such that the two base edges containing the corner on which it rests make equal inclinations with HP. Draw the projections of the prism when the axis is inclined to HP at 40 degrees and appears to be inclined to VP at 45 degrees. Go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window, then go to layer, click on new, type XY and enter, click on new, type axis and enter, click on new, type visible and enter, click on new layer, type as invisible layer. Then take the layer 0, set the line weight as 0.05. Set the layer XY line weight as 0.13. Set the axis layer line weight as 0.05 and set the visible layer line weight as 0.5. Then set the layer invisible line weight as 0.3 and click on the line type of invisible layer and go to load and click on hidden, type H and say OK. Click on hidden and say OK. Click on axis line type, then go to load. Click on C, center and say OK. Then click on center and say OK. Then you close the layer option. Then go to polygon. Take the number of sides as 6 and take edge. Select this arbitrary point and drag the mouse in the horizontal direction. Take the distance as 25. Then go to line. Take INT of this and INT of this and similarly line INT of this and INT of this. Then go to line, draw one horizontal line and take the offset distance as 50 mm. Select this line and offset. Then go to select this and go to CH and go to layer and take it as visible layer. Change it to visible layer. Then click on the line weight display. Then go to line, INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line INT of this and take this line. Then go to line INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Similarly, fillet between these two. Then go to trim. Select this and this as the cutting edges and object to trim as these two. Then go to break. Select this first point. INT of this and say at the rate, break first point, INT of this and say at the rate and break this line and then go to break first point, INT of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate. Then you select this, then go to break first point int of this and say at the rate. Then you select this line, select this and select this, and go to layer, make this layer as visible, and then go to layer, click on this and go to layer, make this as axis, and take the line type scale factor as 10, and then go to group, select this as the entire thing and make it as a group, then copy, select this line, group, first position of the front view, then go to rotate, select this, take the rotation as intersection point of this, take minus 50 degree, so that then go to move, select this, move it nearer, then go to line, take int of this and draw horizontal line, take int of this and draw horizontal line, take int of this and draw horizontal line. Now similarly go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line int of this and draw perpendicular to this line, then go to line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Now we go for line int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line int of this and take perpendicular to this, then go to line int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge, and then trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as these two, then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this and take point of this, then go to line int of this, take int of this and take intersection point of this, then go to line int of this and take intersection point of this and take int of this, then go to line int of this, take int of this and take intersection point of this, then go to break, select this line, first point int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate. Now here you break this first point int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate, then here break first point int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate. Now we go for visibility and invisibility. All the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible and the surface near to the observer is visible. So this line and this line will becomes visible. Then go to layer, make this as visible. Then the edge or a corner which is on XY line in the top front view is always invisible in the top view. So obviously these edges will going to become invisible edges. Then go to 20. Once you do that, then go to copy. So now we go for grouping. Select this entire thing and make it as a group. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line, and again take line int of this and draw horizontal line. Then you select this line and this line, make that layer as XY, change it layer to XY, then go to copy, select this grouped item and take it out, then go to rotate, select this, take end point of this, take the rotation angle as 45 degree, then go to move, select this, switch off the ortho mode and take it here. Now you go to ortho mode on, go to line, take int of this and draw horizontal line, similarly line int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to line, take int of this and draw horizontal line, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, similarly line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line INT of this and line end of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line INT of this and draw horizontal line. Then go to line INT of this and write perpendicular to this. Then go to line INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line INT of this, line INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take INT of this and INT of this and take intersection part of this. Then go to INT of this, take INT of this, take INT of this and say close. Similarly, line INT of this and draw horizontal line. And then go to line INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw horizontal line. Take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line INT of this, take perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Similarly, line INT of this and draw horizontal line. Then go to line, take end point of this, take end point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line INT of this and draw horizontal line. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Then go to line INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then you take INT of this. Then you take INT of this. Then take INT of this. Then take INT of this. Then INT of this. And then INT of this. Now you just go to zoom window. Then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection part of this. Then go to line INT of this, take INT of this and go to line INT of this, take intersection part of this. Then go to line INT of this, take INT of this. Then go to line INT of this, take INT of this. Then go to line INT of this, take intersection part of this. Then go to line INT of this and take intersection part of this. Then you just click this line, go to layer, make this layer as axis, take the distance as 10. Now go to all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids or visible. You take this, you take this line, you take this line and you take this line, and the surface nearer to the observer is visible. This bottom surface is totally visible. So obviously this edge becomes visible. Once this edge becomes visible, this edge is also becomes visible. Now here this edge is okay. Now we go to layer, make this as visible layer. Then just go to this line and this line and this line and this line and this line. All these lines will go to becomes invisible and make this as 10. Then escape. Now we go for zoom previous. Then go to DDIM, go to modify, go to primary units, precision as 0, text you take it as 4, align with the dimension line, centered becomes above, take the offset from the dimension line as 3, symbols and arrow size as 4. Then go to lines, take the distance offset from the origin as 3, say close. Then dim horizontal, select this line and take this as 25. Then dim vertical, select this line and take this as 50. Then dim angular, select between this line and this line, you take this distance as 40 degrees. Then dim angular, select between these two and you make this as 45. Then dim TD, text the dimension and you take it here then this one will come here 45 degrees. Then go to the text, so put the caps lock on, type X, you type Y, you type VP, you type HP. Here you write small letter A, B, C, D, E, F, type O, then bracket O1, then you bracket small letter P, then you bracket small letter Q, then you bracket small letter R, then you bracket small letter S, then small letter T, then small letter U in brackets. Then here you type A dash, then B dash, then C dash, then D dash, then E dash, then bracket E dash, then bracket O dash, which is invisible, then bracket F dash, then here you take P dash, then Q dash, then R dash, then S dash, then T dash in bracket, then U dash in bracket, then O1 dash in bracket. Then zoom previous, then go to zoom window, select this entire thing on your screen, switch off the ortho mode, then go to move, take B and place it here, then Q, then C, then R, then O, then O1, then D, then S, then A, then P, then F, then U, then E, then T, then X, then VP, then HP, then P dash, then Q dash, then U dash, then O1 dash, then R dash, then D dash, then S dash, then A dash, then B dash, then O dash, then C dash, then D dash, then E dash, then F dash. Now we have everything now placed. Then go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window, take this and here, then go to copy, select A dash and here B dash, then F dash, then O dash, then C dash, then D dash, then E dash, then P dash, then P dash, then Q dash, then U dash, then O1 dash, then R dash, then T dash, then S dash, then go to zoom previous, go to zoom window, you take this add the text, here you type it as A, type B, C, D, E, F, type O, then here you have P, Q, R and you bracket S, and then T, then U, and here you bracket O1, then go to zoom window, then go to move, so take P and keep it here, then O1, then S, then A, then O, then D, then P, Q, then R, then B, then C, then E, then F, then T, then U. Then copy this, go to copy P, then Q, then R, then S, then O1, then P, then U, then A, then O, then D, then E, then F, then C, then B, then zoom previous, then go to zoom window, then go to the text tab. Here you type A dash, B dash, C dash, then D dash in bracket, then E dash in bracket, E dash in bracket, then F dash, then here O dash in bracket, then in here you type P dash, then Q dash, then R dash, then S dash, then T dash, then U dash, then O1 dash. Then go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window, select this, then go to move, take A dash, then B dash, then C dash, then take D dash, then E dash, then O dash, then F dash, then P dash, then Q dash, then O1 dash, then U dash, then E dash, then S dash, then R dash. So once you do that, now this is how you will be able to complete this particular drawing by using AutoCAD software. So once you do that, then we'll go for saving this. Go to save, go to appropriate drive, AutoCAD solid drawing, type P173 and save it, and finally you exit the